At the premiere of her new movie Eternals, Salma Hayek had a very special date, her 14-year-old daughter, Valentina. The duo made a rare red carpet appearance together on October 18th. Salma Hayek and her 14-year-old daughter, Valentina Pinault, walked the red carpet together at the Eternals premiere in Hollywood on October 18th. It was a big night for Salma, who stars in the film alongside Angelina Jolie and more famous faces. She looked incredible for the occasion, wearing a gorgeous black gown with a low-cut, plunging neckline and thigh-high leg slit up the middle. Her look was complete with chunky gold shoes, while her hair was styled straight and parted in the middle. Meanwhile, Valentina looked so grown up as she posed alongside her mom. The teenager rocked a little black dress with tights and black booties, and had her blonde hair parted in the middle. Both mom and daughter carried clutches as they took red carpet pictures together. Salma also posed for several shots alone. Valentina is Salma's only child, who she shares with her husband, François-Henri Pinault. Valentina celebrated her 14th birthday at the end of September, and Salma commemorated the occasion with a rare social media post about her daughter. For the most part, Salma and François have kept their teenager out of the spotlight, but now that she's getting older, she seems to be making more appearances on public platforms. In the birthday tribute, Salma shared a rare photo of herself and Valentina touching their foreheads together as they rocked matching messy ponytails. Related gallery. Salma Hayek, her sexiest looks through the years. My precious girl, you are everything to me, she wrote. Blessed be the day you came into my life to shine your radiant light. Happy birthday, Valentina. Thank you for being you. She also included a birthday cake and balloon emojis to complete her sweet message. Eternals is set to come out in theaters on November 5th. Along with Angelina and Salma, it also stars Kit Harington, Kumail Nanjiani, Richard Madden, Gemma Chan, Lauren Ridloff and more. Chloe Zhao directed the movie and co-wrote the screenplay.